Well, good afternoon. John O'Flaherty, the B3 Burner, and I just wanted to check in with you guys real quick and tell you why you haven't seen many videos lately. And I had full knee replacement surgery on September 13th, and today is October 4th, so it marks the 3 week mark since the operation, and I'm slowly getting better, but not in any mood to make videos or edit videos or do anything of the sort. So I'll probably be down and out for at least another 3, 4, 5 weeks before I even consider getting back in front of the computer and doing stuff like that. Just have other things that are more of a priority right now. But I've enjoyed watching other YouTube videos from other people I've subscribed to during my rest stint. And so when I'm not making my videos, I enjoy watching other people's, and that's kind of the way it's going to be, at least for a little bit. So just wanted to check in, let you know what's going on, and I look forward to getting back on the saddle and back into making more videos soon. Talk to you later. Goodbye.